community. This is Felipe, and with this video, I'll try to answer one of your calls about easy and simple way for your clients to add and remove entries from SpreadSimple pages. And I propose the solution I found is using forms. I'm using NativeForms, my go-to when it's anything related to building forms. I like its flexibility and integration and everything, but you should be able to achieve the very same results using other form builders, other good form builder. And I built this pretty simple page here. It's just a listing of image, the description or name of the product, and the code. And it comes from, of course, Google Sheets. And this is the sheet that is feeding. It's pretty simple. And if I want to add, for example, VBout here, I would put the code 123 and add the image. And here is the image for VBout. And it asks me for a secret. In my case, it's 2122. So I'm going to submit it. And once done, we should see it appearing here somewhere. There you go. About 123 and the image address. And you, of course, you notice that there are like blank lines here. And these were the ones I used while testing, but you'll see how it works. And for example, if I want to remove it, I should go to this remove form and put its code, so 123, and my secret 2122. It will attest that it's me, and it should vanish from um, the sheet and also from the page. And as I said, I'm using just NativeForms here with its native integration with Google Sheets and some tricks that I'll show you later. And what it does, it fills uh, pretty straightforward Google Sheet with the results, in this case, new product and the date. And remove does pretty much the same thing. And I just want to share with you how I build these things in my mind. So in this case, I'm using NativeForms as a sort of input and output, and I'm running all the backend or business rules within Google Sheets, I'm sorry. And I'm using SpreadSimple as the front end. So it's displaying the results of this business logic coming from input and output from NativeForms. So how this works in the end. So if you notice, I have this base for SpreadSimple, but I also have like support sheets. And the first one is this setup users, where I put the name of the one that will be filling and the serial or secret, as I said, as I earlier. And I built this hash, which is just like merging the name of the user and the serial. And this is the link for NativeForms. And there is a trick here. If you you should be able to inject this variable in your form without asking the user to fill it. It's better and safer because if you, for example, use switchy to shorten the link and then cloaking it, the user won't even be able to change or see that it's there, and you'll be able to uh, check if the serial or the secret matches the link that you sent. So it's like safer than just leaving a form for someone to fill it. And the other support sheets that I have and I'm using are the remove. So this is just extracting or importing information from uh, the sheet that NativeForms feeds. And also I have the add here. And there are a lot, for example, there are a couple of ways of building this. I'm using this index because I'm using quite intensively VLOOKUPs to find these lines here. but the logic is the main sheet. So what happens when you fill the ad, uh, adding a listing or a product, it will fill these lines here related to the next entry, which is number 9, and it will try to match with the owner or that user that you set up before. And if there's a match, it will present the product here, and then it will feed the base for SpreadSimple and will be shown on the site. So let's do it together and you will see how this works. So I'm adding, for example, another product. I Let me check the images that I have here. I don't have main. So I'm adding email writer. So email writer, and the product code will be 999, and my secret is 2122. And if I try to submit it, you should see it appearing here. There you go. Email writer 999, the URL, the image URL, my secret, and so on. And on the logic, since there was a match of Felipe 2122 with the one that filled this form saying that there is this new product, it will present it on the sheet that feeds SpreadSimple. So let's head back there, and then I'll flush the cache twice, and we should see email writer here. Now let's add another one. Let's add vbout again, and then we'll delete one. Vbout, oh, sorry, 888. Let me add the image of vbout. Oh, I forgot the secret. So it should not be presented there. And let's see how it works. There's vbout 888, the image, but there is no user secret. So if I head to the logic, see, it was blocked and won't appear. If I want it to appear there, I should use the correct secret. So let's do it again with the correct secret. So I'm adding vbout, the product code, let's say 777, and now add the vbout image and 2122 and submit it. There we go. And at the logic, it appears. So let's reload. SpreadSimple twice, and there it is, vbout. So let's delete something here. For example, let's delete email writer. Let's go to remove, and I'll put 999 and 2122 and submit it. And you saw it happening, it's gone. And when we head back here and we reload it twice, maybe more than twice, oh, this should not be presenting here. Oh, there you go. It was a CDN issue. So this is the way I suggest you to try. Of course, you have to spend some time uh, playing with the uh, Google Sheet formulas, but it's doable, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right, see you. Bye bye.